If all birds were to suddenly disappear, it would have a significant impact on the environment and the food chain. Birds play an important role in pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control.
They also help to control the populations of insects, small mammals, and other birds.
Without birds, many plants would struggle to reproduce and certain insect populations would likely increase, leading to imbalances in the food web. Additionally, the loss of birds would also have a cultural impact, as many people enjoy birdwatching and bird-related activities.
Overall, the disappearance of all birds would have far-reaching and severe consequences.